I got this for $1.99 at the Goodwill thrift store, and this one is good. They're like a bunch of like shoelaces or some kind of. This one is still in the container. So, and some of the one that's out and stuff, I'm just gonna hand wash them. Some of the I like to hand wash stuff. The one that's anyway. So that if you use it, they're all clean. You know what I mean? And so I'm gonna put them in like I'm putting them in the separate bags so that you don't, you can always have you don't need to put the whole thing in. So you can put them all over your bag, your Bible stuff, and just put in the sandwich bag individually. So this one has kind of like a little leather thing. And what else? I only have one. Anyway, this one dress laces, but I think you can use this one for like a necklace, for like if you have a chain and stuff, you can put this necklace, I suppose. So I have that one, and then so it's nice for your Bible, so you can if you want to tie something, you can buy it a regular rope too if you want. But this one, I see this one. Usually I don't see them together, but this time I see it together for so at least you know you have some stuff to you can use up for something else. If you wrap something, it can even use for your if you get cut and stuff. So a lot of purposes, guys. So okay, see you later. Oh yeah, you can use for like if you have twigs and other stuff that you need to, or you can tie it into like if you have like a pillowcase that you in the survival you have pillowcase, and you need to put some rocks in it, and then you need to throw towards the trees so that you can the pillow with the long rope or something, you wanna hang your food up there. You can use up the pillowcase with rock, and then you can tie up the pillowcase or something like that if you need to, or maybe just tie with your pillowcase too. But just so this one, it helps a little bit, like you need something to wrap it quick. It's already there's two in it. Oh, this one has two and stuff. This one you can use this for the necklace too, because they're kind of like the leather. What's this? Hickory. And it's a shoelaces. Okay, guys. See you later.